As an insurer, you rely on a large volume of content to generate quotations, create and service policies, process claims, file reports, and ensure compliance. To effectively manage these content-centric processes, you need to extract information from complex documents that are present in multiple formats and spread across folders, email boxes, printouts, and shared drives. With Newgen's OmniDocs WorkDesk, you can do it all. The system comes with pre-built connectors to integrate with policy administration systems, enable single-window access, and seamless collaboration. Let's understand how an insurance company can leverage Newgen's OmniDocs WorkDesk to process a claim. Omar wants to file an auto claim. With various options available, such as web portal, mobile, email, and contact center, he submits a claim via the company's mobile application. All the documents and information reach WorkDesk and can be easily accessed by the claims officer, Mark. WorkDesk opens in Mark's existing system without any break in user experience. Mark reviews the documents, annotates, and assigns rights to the claims adjuster. He compares the previous and current year's policies, extracts relevant pages, and merges them to create a new document. He informs Omar of the status and shares the new document via email. Kevin, the surveyor, investigates the claim by capturing, uploading, and assessing the images and videos. He makes videos during the survey and annotates the critical moments. He uses existing templates to generate survey reports and letter of requirement and submits them for further processing. Kim, the claims adjuster, retrieves all the case files. She assesses the annotations made by Mark and Kevin. She collaborates with the surveyor, legal team, and technical experts to discuss the damages identified in the video. She generates documents, such as work orders, and sends them to the repairer. Kim compares the invoice received by the repairer against the work order and sends the final claim settlement sheet to the approver, Tracy. Tracy assesses all the case-related documents. She views all other stakeholders' comments, notes, and annotations. She easily finds relevant notes in the document using the search and viewing options. Tracy reviews and shares the claim sheet with her finance team for settlement. This was just one of the use cases. Using Newgen's OmniDocs WorkDesk, you can do it all, from streamlining claims and processing loans to policy administration and more. You can choose between deploying WorkDesk on the cloud or on-premise. Cloud-based WorkDesk simplifies mobile and remote access and offers more flexible licensing models. With Newgen's OmniDocs WorkDesk, you can achieve faster turnaround time, get easy and secure access to information, improve user productivity, enable better decision-making, and do all this while enhancing collaboration and compliance. The time is now to simplify your content-centric processes. The time is now to embrace Newgen's OmniDocs WorkDesk.